inverse trigonometric function class 12 part 1 subscribe me, please subscribe me. I am Bireshwar. I just analyzing a trigonometric function. What is trigonometric function? Trigonometric inverse function is suppose sine inverse sine inverse 1 by x is equal to cosec inverse x. How do it prove? To prove. It has been proved two way. Suppose analysis. Sine inverse one by x. So I have improved it. Sine inverse 1 by x is equal to, suppose I have got a cos sec. Okay, cosec. I have to count into cosec. Cosec inverse. Cosec inverse is equal to 1. Sine inverse 1 by x. This means what? It means cos inverse, so I have to write cosec is equal to 1 by sine. Okay. And then I have to write such how sine inverse cosec sine inverse cosec inverse and whole sine inverse one by x. And sine cosec totally calculated what? Sine into is equal to cosec. So sine inverse cosec. Sine cosec inverse 1 by inverse. I have to write sine inverse what? Sine inverse is equal to cosec inverse x. Then 1 by sin x. Sin inverse, sin inverse 1. I played what? Sin, just change. Cosec inverse sin inverse x. So I have to write now what? This is a process, but I have another process. I also proved another process. 1 by cosine inverse x. Cosine inverse x is equal to cosine inverse x. There is a difficulty to teach. I have to write this another way. Please erase this. Suppose, firstly, suppose sin inverse is equal to sin inverse is equal to sin 1 by x is equal to a. Suppose. So I have to do is equal to or 1 by x is equal to sin a. Okay. Is equal to or x is equal to cosine 1 by sin a is equal to cosine a. Okay. One thing. Now I have to discuss this analysis. Sin inverse 1 by x. Now RSS. RSS is what? Cosec inverse x is equal to suppose it maybe I have analyzed this. Suppose b. So or x is equal to cosec b. Now 0 to x is equal to cosec a. So there is a thought. X is equal to cosec a, cosec b. So b is equal to what? Suppose I have written. So cosec a cosec a is equal to cosec b. Is equal to x. So cosec a is equal to what? Cosec a is equal to cosec a is equal to what? Cosec a is equal to x. Cosec a is equal to x. Cosec b is equal to x. Is equal to x. Now discussion is cosec a A is equal to cosec B is equal to x. So cosec A is equal to cosec x. Inverse x is equal to, as equal to what? I have thought as equal to sin inverse 1 by x. Okay. Good. Please learn and cheat. Now I have teach you another thing. Suppose sin inverse sin inverse x is equal to sin inverse y is equal to what? Sin inverse y is equal to what? Sin inverse x is equal to sin inverse x 1 minus y square is equal to y 1 minus x square. How it is proved? Alice says, suppose firstly thought this thing. Sin inverse x sin inverse y. Now I have to write in a theory. Trigonometry sin. Suppose it is a. Suppose it is b. Sin a plus a. Third, of the theory, sin a plus a. Sin a plus b is equal to sin a, what? Sin a plus into cos b plus cos a sin b. Sin a plus 0, sin a cos b, sin a cos b, sin b cos a sin b. Okay, please remember that. So I have to write sin a is equal to sin inverse x and cos into cos base into cos sin inverse y sin inverse y, one thing thought, and plus cos thought sin A cos B cos A cos A cos A sin B into this into sin B sin B. Okay. Now sin x sin inverse is equal to 1 x and cos, there is a cos. I have to write root cos square sin inverse y inverse y and sin y sin inverse y is equal to y. Sorry, this is x. Now I have to write in what? Thought. Sin inverse x into y and x into suppose x it is x cos square sin inverse and cos square this cos square sin inverse x into y. Suppose the theory x into there to there x into 1 minus sin square sin inverse y one third and into plus y into 1 minus cos sin square 1 minus sin square or theory sin square sin inverse x what thought. Now x into sin square is equal to there is y. Sin square means 1 minus sin inverse y whole square and y 1 minus sin square sin into sin inverse y into x suppose and that thought x minus x into 1 by y square y plus 1 minus x square y minus 1 minus x square This where come from where? From their think thought. It is come from sine into sine inverse x cos sine into sine inverse y is equal to sine x into 1 minus y square 1 minus y into 1 minus x square. So sine inverse x into sine inverse y into 0 to inverse y is equal to sine inverse. This sine turn into the sine inverse. Sine inverse x minus 1 minus y square y plus y into 1 minus x square. Proved. This is the proof. Analysis. Thank you. Please thought this theory. Only one theory enough for thought. Now I have discussed about another theory. Tan inverse y x into tan inverse y. Tan inverse x is equal to plus tan inverse y is equal to x plus y plus tan inverse x plus y 1 minus xy. It has been proved. How it is proved? Firstly, there I have to take in then tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. One thought. Then I thought I have this is the A and this is the B. Then tan A, then inverse x plus 10 plus 10 b 10 plus y, there is bracket, and 1 minus 10 10 plus x into 10 plus 10 plus y. So x plus y, 10 plus x and 10, x plus y, 10, 10 plus x plus y, 1 minus x, y. Okay, so firstly there is a 10. I have to write what? Here is this. I just change this. Now 10, 10 10x, 10y. So I have to write 10 inverse x plus 10 inverse y is equal to 10 down into there 10 inverse x plus y bracket 1 minus xy. Okay, there is a thought. Something. I told him. So just thought only two theory, and then you must know another theory. Please subscribe me my theory analysis of inverse function trigonometry. Please subscribe me. Please subscribe me. I will return in the evening within 3 hours or 4 hours. Subscribe me. Please subscribe me. Please subscribe me. So we have a lot of teaching. One theory. Sin inverse A. 1. Sin inverse 1 by x is equal to what? Cosine. Inverse x 1, then 2 sin inverse x is equal to plus sin inverse y is equal to what? sin inverse x into 1 minus y square and plus 1 into 1 minus one x and 3 tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x plus y into 1 minus xy. Please subscribe me. Please subscribe me. Please subscribe me. I am Bireshwar, from Engineering University. I am a teacher and I am advised to you. Any fault and error, please subscribe me. Please give me your opinion. Please give me your opinion. Please give me your opinion. Any fault, if or wrong, any problem, please give me your opinion.